Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing the Sensationnel Swiss lace wig Zelena. I'll be installing her in the color Flamboyage Mocha. Right out of the pack, I could tell that she has really good lace. She's pretty long and she is very full. She's like 180 to 200% density. I really love how much parting space they give you. It definitely is a 13 by 6. It fits ear to ear. It comes with 2 combs at the top and 1 in the back. And it also fit pretty snug when I adjusted the straps. And I just want you to see how well it fits. I didn't really have to cut it to fit my head, and I'm about a size 22 to 23 inches in circumference. I really love the color the most. That was probably my favorite part. I'm glad I got this color. I saw a Trendy K do a review on her channel in this color, and I just had to get it before it was sold out. Straight out of the box, this wig is pretty easy to style. I just brushed it a little bit and kind of tossed the bang with my fingers. Everything just fell right into place, which is very easy, you know, just something to grab and go, pretty simple. And I just wanted to go ahead and see how it looked in the middle part because I will be wearing it in a side part today. As you can see, I did experience some tangling with this wig. I'm not sure if that was because of me, but I have had the wig on for about 3 days now, and I did experience some tangling and shedding. It doesn't shed like terribly, but it is some light shedding. I'm not sure if that's from me cutting the lace or something else, but I just wanted you guys to be aware of that. So I did want to lean in a little because I wanted you guys to see how well that lace kind of just blended with my skin, and it's not even like stuck down yet. It looks a little light right now, but once I add the got to be and I start to mold it down, it's gonna melt right into my skin, and I really like that about this wig. So right here, I attempted to try to do my baby hairs on camera. It's actually a lot harder to do them on camera. For some reason, I just don't seem to know how. But I did leave this some of this in so that you could kind of see like some of the process and how I did it to mold the edges so that it looked a little bit more natural and more like a frontal. So I know some of you guys have been wondering, like, am I going to leave this wig cap on because it's very noticeable underneath the lace because the lace is so thin and transparent. I did end up taking it off. At the end of the video, I will show you how it looks with the wig cap off. I just pulled it from the back of my wig. I just lifted the back of it after I installed the wig and just slid it from under there since I didn't do the bald cap method. With the synthetic wigs, I don't really do the bald cap method. It just seems like a lot more work, especially since sometimes I don't want to keep my wig on for a long period of time. So I just wanted to clear that up for anyone that was wondering, because yes, it is very light and noticeable, but I do want you to see how well that lace melted into my skin with just the Got2b spray. I would definitely be ordering this wig again. Even with the tangling, I still thought it was very pretty. I tried to add concealer to the part to kind of conceal that wig cap, but it was just way too noticeable. So I will insert a clip of what it looks like with the wig cap gone. So right here is with the wig cap gone. It looks a lot more natural. If you guys have any wig suggestions or anything you'd like to see on my channel, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.